Hi, Kevin McDonald here. I've been a property investor now for over 19 years and I've built up a multi-million pound property portfolio using creative property investment techniques. And today I'm outside one of my refurb projects. I'm going to take you around inside and show you the progress. Now, you've probably seen this house before. Previously, we recorded a video of this property just when we had purchased it. It's the 25k house. If you want to watch that video, you can do that here. So this is just going to be a quick video. I'll show you around what's going on, and what we'll do, I'll come back in a few weeks time and show you the finished project. So make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. This door is so new that we've even got plastic on it. So this is not the new standard in my area. This is not a 2022 must-have for every property that you ever purchase. That'll be taken off before the tenants move in. So if you remember what this property looked like in the previous video, when you came in here, you could literally, it was just pretty much back to brick. It had full of damp, it was wet, it was horrible. The bin was still there, but it was in terrible condition. Now, it was a 2-bedroom property and you went up the stairs here. Then you had a sitting room, you had a kitchen and a little bathroom at the back. We've opened it all up, so you can see that there's a steel beam, RSJ beam put in here, where we've knocked that wall through to create a big open plan kitchen diner. I'll walk you through the end of the moment. I'll show you how we've extended the bathroom as well. But these stairs, we took them out. So they were going up from this side. We've literally tucked the staircase out and put it in the opposite direction. I'll tell you why upstairs and it'll make sense. Now, what we've done so far, we've done all of the pipe work. So this is literally everything. Back to brick. It's all new plasterboard, plastering, and new pipe work, new electrics. The wiring is all in. So all the first fix plumbing is done. All the first fix electric is done. You can see the pipe work coming through the walls, ready for radiators to be fitted. We've got the new front door on. We've got the new windows in throughout. This is a full refurb. Through to the kitchens. The kitchen's going to be going here. The plug sockets are all fitted in. Everything's ready to go. And then you get towards your back door entrance hall. So we've got our boiler in here, all the pipe work around the boiler. That's going to be all fitted within a cupboard. And then you get to the bathroom. So what we've done here is we've extended out the back. So you can see the block work here. So we've just made this a bigger space. So we can have a bath here. You'll have your sink here, toilet here. We are changing the toilet. We've kept it for the builders, so they've got somewhere that they can use while they're doing the refurb. That will be replaced. It wasn't, oh, let's keep the toilet. So let's go upstairs and I'll show you how we took this 2-bedroom house and converted it into a 3-bed. So the new staircase coming in the opposite direction, so the stairs are all new. There is a gap on the floor, so when you're watching this video, just mind the gap, don't fall through. I'm really telling the cameraman. I'll go this way first. So this is bedroom number 1. Large, big bedroom, front of the property. We've already had it painted, so we've got the wiring all in. So you can see all the light switches, everything, the plug sockets are all done in this room. So literally the second fix is finished. We've painted the walls. All we've got to finish here is get the radiators in, get the carpets down, and put a door on it, and this room's done. So let's just jump our way to bedroom number 2. Hallways are done, so we've painted the hallways. We've got the attic the access to the attic here in the corridor. Plug sockets, everything put through. Now this, when we were here previously, at the moment we've just come upstairs this way, you would have gone up the stairs in the opposite direction. What that meant was when you went up in the opposite direction, the room here behind was the bathroom. So that's where the bathroom was. You'd come up the stairs here at the top, and you can see where the old landing was into that bedroom and into this bedroom. But if you arrived into this bedroom, see the old landing that was closed up here? But when you arrived into this bedroom, you then had to go at an angle to get to the bathroom. So you literally had a 2-bedroom house, but you had to go through bedroom number 2 to get to the bathroom. So imagine you're in bedroom number 1 and you need to go to the toilet or something, you got to go into somebody else's bedroom and go, oh, I'm sorry, can I just skip past you? Let me go to the toilet, please. But the layout was terrible. So we've tucked the stairs out, we've turned them in the opposite direction. So now we can close this up. This will be plastered up. We'll create this as a third bedroom. We've left access to it at the moment because we've got some works to do with the wiring and stuff, but will be the last job, close this up, plaster it up, and we're done. And that means we've added a partition wall here to create a corridor. We've still got a large second bedroom, new windows and things put in, but that has allowed us to create this third bedroom. So I'm moving the bathroom downstairs, just extending it out a little bit at the back, and then adding this third bedroom on the first floor. And you don't have to go through one room to get to the bathroom. So the old layout, 2-bedroom house, where you had to go through one of the bedrooms to get to the bathroom. Now we've got a 3-bedroom house and a separate bathroom on the ground floor, adding massive value to the property. Before I start to break down the numbers on this deal, there's a free report that you can download to learn everything about how to make a fortune in buy-to-let right now. Go to the link in the description or in the comments box to download your copy now. So we purchased this property for 25 grand. Now this house had sat empty for years. So the previous owners were struggling financially. We actually negotiated a deal with them, with the bank. So their lender, their bank, we negotiated a deal where they could pay off their mortgage and basically take a haircut. Now, if you want to know the details about that, you can watch that in the previous video we did on this property right here now. So far on the refurb on this project, now it's a bigger project refurb. It's not just paint, decorate, cosmetic stuff. We've changed all the windows. We've changed the front door. We've had to extend out the back to add a bathroom. We've had to pull the stairs out and put them in a different direction. We've had to go back to brick, re-plaster everything, plasterboard it, plaster it, damp-proof the whole house, do all new wiring, all new plumbing. So this is a complete full refurb. It's going well, so we've got the majority of the work done. All of the, what I said, the bigger stuff is done, all the hidden work. We're back now to just the painting, the carpets, the fitting of the kitchen, the fitting of the bathroom, some bits of plastering left to be done. But at this stage of the project, we're about 80% there. So it's kind of the cosmetic that's left to do. You can now see what it's going to be. You can see where the bathroom is, the size of it. You can see the 3 bedrooms and the layout and the walk round of the property. So I'm really pleased with the progress, really pleased with where we're at with the progress. Not far away from getting this project finished off and ready to let. So now if you're starting out in property, I wouldn't recommend a deal like this as your first project. With your first project, just keep it simple. Do the cosmetic stuff, painting, decorating, and maybe a new kitchen or a new bathroom, some curb appeal, at most some damp proofing. Just keep it simple, cut your teeth. But if you're watching this and you've done a few of those, you want to do some more advanced stuff, then get into projects like this. There's some big money to be made on these types of projects. These are houses that have sat empty for years. There's empty homes registers right across this country. Properties that are sitting there that have not been used. And we have got a housing crisis. These properties need to be brought back into use. And one of the great things about them is you're not competing with first-time buyers or homeowner occupiers. They don't want to take on a big project like this either. You're also not competing with the big builders, the big developers. They don't want to do these types of projects. The self-build builders, they're doing maybe buying a piece of land and building 1 or 2 houses. So there's a niche in the market, a gap in the market for you to come in and take on these empty, rundown properties. Just do a full refurb, rip everything out, start from scratch. And one of the great things about it is you can future-proof it. When you're buying the property that just needs the cosmetic stuff, if you've got an energy rating, and a lot of stuff now about energy ratings, if you've got an energy rating of a D or an E, maybe you can't quite get it to that level of C, which is predicted to be needed for 2026. Something like this, we absolutely can, because we've got control of everything. Because it's all new, you've got a blank canvas. We literally took the whole thing out. You could stand here and you could see all the way up to the roof. When you've got that type of space, You can put your light switches where you want. You can put your radiators where you want. You can take the stairs out and flip them round. You can literally do whatever you need to turn the project into your desired outcome and future-proof it for generations with no refurb requirements or just the minor stuff needed. There is not a lot that you can buy for 25 grand. A BMW 3 Series, basic 3 Series model BMW is 30 grand. This house is 25 grand. Yes, I've had to put a lot of money into a refurb. So the refurb on this project's gonna come in around 35 grand. However, 35 grand on a refurb, 25 for the purchase, we're looking at 60 grand. 60 grand for the property. It's going to revalue somewhere between 85 and 100. 85 to 100k. If we get a revaluation of 85 grand, we pull all of the money back out again. All of the money back out, so you've got a free house. You put 30 grand down on the BMW, you're not able to pull all the money back out again and have a free car. You got something that's costing you money every single month. But the thing about this house is when we rent it out as well, it'll make about 300 quid a month profit. Now you could take that 300 quid a month of profit from the house and lease the BMW 3 Series. So you get the house for free and the car for free from the income from the house. Or you could take your 30k, buy the car, and it'll cost you money every month. I know which I'd rather do. So if you want to learn more about how you can do projects like this and how you can get started or scaling in property, there's a free report in the description that you can download right now. So go grab that report, have a read, and get some more knowledge about property. And make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as we're doing weekly content on different types of property deals that can help you with your property journey. I've been Kevin McDonald. You've been amazing. See you next time.